National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wabash County, northwestern Grant County, southwestern Huntington County until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near LaFontaine, or 9 miles south of Wabash, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following texts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include LaFontaine,
Jalapa.
Frequency mode.
Quickly from severe thunderstorms.
16255 0.
It was cloudy. Audio pressure of 70 in the room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Grant, Indiana. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KC 193 in Muncie.
Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 77 degrees with partly sunny skies. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis. And now we'll look at your forecast for Indianapolis and Central.
EAS compilation number 5. That's starting. Hey. First alert went off. First alert went off. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, I gotta get a radio set up on KJ193 as well. I'll get this one and then set it up here. Put it on alert standby. Yep, KC74. There we go. Perfect signal too. Now let me get this radio, and I'll get KJ193 set up. What the heck is wrong with this radio? Why is it doing that?
Thunderstorms through the late overnight, then isolated showers and thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-60s.
Okay, guys, I'm using this video. I'm videoing.
425. Saturday night. Mostly cloudy with isolated showers through the late overnight.
There we go. Okay, this is the start of EAS compilation number 5. So far, we got a severe thunderstorm warning on KJ193. Tornado warning.
Northeastern Grant County, southwestern Huntington County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Wow, Grant.
At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a...
Grant is gonna go off. I have Grant saved.
Expected hazards include...
It's not PDS, I don't think. Go to Grant. think this is Grant. I went there before, so. I don't know if I can reach it.
Thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. The temperature was 77 degrees. Dew point 63.
Well, there's now a tornado warning for Grant. There was a severe thunderstorm warning, but now there's a tornado warning. Maybe this isn't Grant's frequency. If it isn't, I'll change it later. Okay.
76 at Champaign and 76 at Dayton. St. Louis reported 81. Cincinnati reported 73. And Louisville
That was unexpected.
73. Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 77 degrees with partly sunny skies. The Indianapolis climate summary.
7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near LaFontaine, or 7 miles north of Marion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicating threat.
Yeah, it's not PDS. So EAS, number 51. You can see right there, IWX issues tornado warning. Tornado radar indicated hail 1 inch for Grant, Huntington counties. A severe thunderstorm warning, or a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near La Fountain, or 7 miles north of Marion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is on all bots talk on IMBot. They issued another severe tornado warning for Mason and Tazewell. So yeah, I now have Northern Indiana IWX station pulled up. I finally found it. Couldn't find it for a while. So they updated the tornado warning a couple minutes ago. They canceled Grant and continued Huntington. So yeah. There's another glitch on the original W120, just like the one I posted. You can see it goes off, on, or on, off, on, off. glitches, and
The record high tomorrow is 80 with sunrise tomorrow is at 7:24 a.m. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis. And now we look at your forecast for Indianapolis and Central
Gusts
Indiana.
up to 20.
Tonight, partly cloudy. Rain likely with a chance of thunderstorms late overnight. Then isolated showers and thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds tonight.
they expired the tornado warning.
Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:24 a.m. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis. And now we'll look at your around central Indiana.
It's like 30 minutes later. IWX issues a strong thunderstorm wind pack southeastern Allen County through 9:30 p.m. EDT. Wind 40 miles per hour and hail 0.50 inches. Never seen this before. WCO issues aerial hydrological discussion, AHD. Never seen that before. They canceled the tornado watch for Carroll Fountain, Tippecanoe, and more, and I don't know if they're going to issue another one for us or close to us, but this radio glitched out. This is set for KC74.
25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. For Saturday, showers.
Set for KC74, you know. There's no alerts on KC74. You can see. There's no alerts. They glitched out. This concludes EAS compilation number 5, I believe. We had 2 alerts. So EAS number 50 and 51. Both, well, one severe thunderstorm warning and one tornado warning both on KJ193 Muncie. Both for Grant. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.